simplify cos 5 theta cos 2 theta plus sine 5 theta sine 2 theta. Now immediately we should sort of recognise that we have to use the compound angle formulae, and this is why it's good to actually know them. So we know that cos theta cos phi plus sine theta sine phi is equal to cos theta minus phi. Notice this is plus and this is minus when it's cos. So letting theta be equivalent to 5 theta and phi being equivalent to 2 theta, then this becomes equal to cos of 5 theta minus 2 theta. And that simplifies down to, obviously, 5 theta minus 2 theta is cos 3 theta. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify an expression using the compound angle formula. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.